Hello, I'm Shabrika of grade 11 and I'm going to explain about the OSCA Artificial Intelligence Digital Pathology Scanner. My problem statement is pathology, which is the first and foremost step for diagnosis of any disease, is being disrupted by three things. Firstly, digitalization, which means the conversion of microscopic image into high resolution image. Secondly, the lack of whole slide imaging, which means scanning a whole tissue in one single frame. And thirdly, second opinions that the patient tend to take if they're not convinced with the reports given by the doctor. Coming to the reason why I took this topic. So, as we all know, health is wealth. Sadly, often we get to know the real value of our health when our health starts deteriorating. It is because of internal damage or fault. So, to scan that, we have various scanners these days like CT, MRI, X-rays. This is the first step to diagnose our disease because it finds the root cause. But when this first step itself has loopholes, I wanted to look for alternatives. A solution or an alternative for this can be an artificial intelligence embedded digital pathology scanner. Coming to the AI tool, the OSCA Artificial Intelligence Scanner is an already existing scanner introduced by a company called OptraScan, but then it has not come into effect. It is made by inbuilding AI frameworks. It can automatically identify the regions to scan and analyzes the tissue or cell to be scanned based on the cell or tissue morphology. It uses biomarkers to differentiate the results and defects in the cell. It also provides analysis of the test which prevents from second opinions that the patient tend to take. It has whole slide imaging which makes the whole process easier for the physician or the doctor to diagnose the patient. It can also detect the rare events or rare faulties or mistakes occurring in our body. This makes the whole pathological process more efficient and thus the adequate and accurate treatment can be provided to the patient. One more thing is that it also allows sharing of the scan reports so that it's even more handy and easy for the patients. Thank you.